Ichi kudasai? Ichi. Don't forget to pick up your ticket. This is the escalator. And then it starts getting flat. And then now it turns into an escalator again. This must be a big city. Maybe like Busan in Korea? I don't know. But even the locals are taking pictures with this station. Get out. No way. How are they doing this? What? That's water. It's a clock made out of water. It's just changed. What is it? Oh, it says welcome. Oh my god, that's so cool. What? Found my hostel. Doom, doom, doom. It's on the 3rd floor. Oh. Alright, let's do this. This hostel is so nice. Bathrooms here. Shower room here. This is my bed. And this whole area is female only. I'm in my room and this is definitely one of the nicer hostels I've ever been in. It's literally, I have my own room. There's still air circulation, mirror, and there is a locker in here. You can put your valuables in there. This bed is very comfortable. A new towel every day. So nice. Hangers for the win. I'm on my way to Omicho market, I think. Damn, that looks amazing. That looks good. Holy moly, look at all this fish. That looks good. That looks so good. Wow, that looks amazing. Vending machine. Wow. これは北海道に or no? Yes. はい。ああ。見てください。すいません。あ、すいません。これはチトロ？チトロ。Yeah. Okay. Okay, I went a little crazy. I bought a whole tray of uni, some chitoro, and some sea bream. All of this was only $48. Get out. This was $25, this was $13, and that was $10. I can't. I just can't. My friend over here is watching this place. The place I bought this has a nice seating area, but it's also, oh, there's a seat available now. The seat got taken over so fast. There's too much rice, which is good because then I can eat it with the uni. You guys ready? Oh my god. I can't believe I just bought this tray of Hokkaido uni for $25. This tastes so good. So good. Oh my gosh. Look how thick this piece of tuna is. Crazy. I can't believe this is only $13. I'm gonna do something a little crazy here. I'm gonna build my own. Oh, look at this. That's beautiful. Beautiful piece of sushi. You know what to do when you don't want to ruin sushi by picking it up to pick it up with soy sauce. You dip the ginger in soy sauce and then you put it on the sushi. Oh my god. That uni with the chitoro, it's just dancing in my mouth. That is so good. I am in heaven right now. I also have some matcha. This is not my favorite. It's a little, I don't know, just the flavor is not that nice, but does not go well with sushi because it has milk and sugar in it. I built another one, more uni this time. Oh my god. I'm gonna leave my stuff like this for a second just to grab green tea. hopefully it's still there when I come back because I left a tray of uni there. I really need some green tea. My green tea. Yes. Trust the Japanese people. I wish it was hot, but it won't do. Not the best green tea, but better than nothing. They're so good. I usually put the smallest amount of wasabi, but this tuna is so fatty that I think I can just eat it like this. Oh, beautiful. Best meal ever. This just you yourself getting all these fish, like you choosing each one and then like building it together and eating it just here standing. It's the whole experience. It just, I don't know, it tastes so good. I feel like my own chef and it feels really good as well. And I had to like venture out to get some green tea. That was freaking delicious. I am stuffed. My belly's full, my heart is happy, and I'm gonna go to Kazue-machi Chaya district. Oh no, it's raining. No, I checked the weather. Oh, it is raining. Oh shoot, it's 80% rain in 15 minutes. That's no good. Uh-oh. Good thing I didn't go back to my hostel to grab my umbrella because it stopped raining like after 5 minutes. I'm here. I think I'm at the right place, but there's not that many people here, so I feel like I'm not. But it is very pretty. It's kind of weird how quiet it is right now. This is gorgeous. Everywhere is so photogenic. Wow, look at all those houses. I'm crossing the bridge to go to Higashi Chaya district. It's definitely busier here. So different from where I was because it was eerily quiet. Now I hear some bustling. Ooh! The story time. I was in the Philippines riding on the back of a motorcycle, and this insect fly, literally, I'm not exaggerating, it was the size of my pinky nail. Like, it was that big. It went inside my eyeball. I literally had to like dig it out, grab it, and like I saw it, it had legs and everything, and throw it out. It was disgusting. I think if I had to choose, that's probably the worst feeling, the most disgusted feeling I ever felt in my entire life. Oh, it was so gross. Never again. End of story time. Back to this beautiful district. So beautiful. Look how aged those wood are. I wanna go smell the wood. It smells good. This place is, it's vacant. Should I buy it? Should I open up a hostel right here? That's, I think, one of my life goals or ideas I have. Once I have enough money, I would love to open up a hostel or a guest house. Maybe when I'm older and I feel like I want to settle down and kind of travel less, then open up a guest house and welcome travelers from all over the world and connect with them. So I get a feel of traveling, get the energy from them, and then I can be an awesome host. You guys, I will be such an awesome host because I've been to so many hostels. I know exactly what I'm looking for as a guest. What kind of common room should it be? Like the shared spaces, curtains, the outlets, the lighting, everything. I can come up with like daily activities, the tours. I would really love to open it up in somewhere like in the Philippines or like Indonesia where there's water activities. Go chase waterfalls or go hiking for sunrise on the volcano at 3 a.m. in the morning. So it's kind of like a guest house mixed with like a tour company almost. That'd be so cool. When I get successful, I'll open up this place for y'all. It will be a safe haven, a community of like-minded travelers, and we can vibe together. Come on, let's go. I just saw a family before. So the mom and the two sons were standing like in a row with their drinks, and then the father was taking a photo of them. I just thought that it was the cutest thing, so I asked like if they want a photo of them all four in together. So I took a shot with all the four of them standing in a row with each drinks in their hands. The kids were so little, And it was the cutest thing ever. They really thanked me for it. I'm happy that I got to take that photo. That was the cutest thing I ever saw. So cute. Oh my god, that lady with the white wig was wearing a full-on mask. Oh, it freaked me out because I thought it was real for a second. Enemy person in real life. So I only have 1 hour to look. Oh, this is the oldest Japanese fountain, built in 1861. Wow. Oh my god, look at this view. This is so peaceful. Imagine coming here first thing in the morning and nobody's here. Wow, look how all these branches are being lifted up. They're pine trees. Oh, it's gorgeous. So cute. And look at that detail to protect all these branches. Wait, look at that. This looks like an art piece. I'm a tree hugger. That actually felt really good. If you need a hug, go hug a tree. This tree is so cool. You can see the roots all raised from the ground. I wish I can share the smell of pine trees. It's one of my favorites. Can't enter. What is that piece of rock doing there? It's all tied up. That's a beautiful pathway. Oh, I love walking these older bridges, especially crossing the lake like this. This is so gorgeous. Wow. This is so cute. I see fish. Oh shit. Oh no, I cracked the screen. Oh my god. I'm so glad I put a screen protector. It would have totally destroyed it if I hadn't. I'm glad I did. Look at this bathroom. Wow, I feel like I'm entering an onsen. Tomorrow is the real reason why I came here. So stay tuned for that because it's gonna be beautiful. Tonight, I'm just on a mission to find some curry udon. My legs are so sore, and I looked up my steps yesterday from Kyoto was like 22,000, and today is already like 18,000. No wonder it's so sore. Yes. I'm so excited. Oh, it smells amazing. Konnichiwa. 1カレー天ぷらうどんください。天ぷらカレーうどん。Yes. Konnichiwa. ありがとうございます。This looks amazing, and I'm actually so hungry. Wow. Eggplant. This is literally like custard. It tastes so good. Completely cleared. So good. That was definitely worth the walk. The curry sauce, I've never tasted anything like it before. It's not like the type of Japanese curry sauce you can buy at grocery stores. And funny thing, I was watching the TV inside. It was like some kind of a show. They went to the place that I'm going to tomorrow. Destiny! It looks beautiful. I can't wait to be there in person. Alright, good night! This advertising is hilarious. This is before with all the wrinkles. This is after. Smooth and firm. I also picked up this ice cream. So cute. It's Bokujo Shibori by Kaliko. So soft. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification